Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your WhatsApp account. To do this, you have just to go and to open the WhatsApp app. And after that, you just go and click on the three dots on the top right of the screen. After that, go and click on settings. And after that, click on the first option, account, and go and click on the last option, delete account. And as you can see here, first of all, you should know that if you delete your account will be deleted from WhatsApp and from all your devices, that your message history will be deleted also. You will be removed from all your WhatsApp group, and also your Google storage backup will be deleted, and any channels that you created will be also deleted. If you are okay with all this, you have just to go and confirm your phone number at the bottom of the screen and click on delete account. You will receive a confirmation message with a code. You have just to enter this code and delete your account immediately. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video, and see you in the next one.